Hi everybody, Ray Hayden here, and this video is an experimental video. So you might hear the bird chirping in the background. Anything can happen with the audio, but just so long as you can hear the message I have in this video, this experiment is a success. Because this one here is going to be about this microphone. It has a wind muff on it, we'll keep that in mind. And I'll put it back out of the picture here. The audio is what this video is all about. Now before I get into it, let me remind you, don't forget to drop a thumbs up, like this video, hit the thumbs up button below. Make a comment below, let me know you came by to say hi, and if you haven't already done so, please hit that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. Greatly appreciate the growth on the network. So let's talk about this audio. I was doing some other video stuff, I was working on other projects, and I picked up a microphone specifically for another project that I'm going to make a series of videos about. It happens to be a GoPro Hero 8 Black camera, and it's over here on the side, and it's got a metal case around it, and it's got a little dongle hanging off here. That is for the microphone that I'm about to talk about here. This is a Comica, and it just happens to be the CVW-VM10 Roman numeral number 2 microphone. I'll put a comment, in the description below and let you know which microphone this is. In the image here, it has that foam cover on it. It's a pretty small, pretty small microphone, really. It's about as wide as this microphone stand right here. That's about how thick the microphone is. And it's only about, yay long. It's a short shotgun microphone, which it's just fun to say. But it's also, it's not nearly as big as this wind muff, and that's a wire that plugs into the back of the, microphone right there, right? So it's a pretty small deal, but if I'm happy with this video and you're actually seeing it, then this experimental video was a success. Now that microphone is on a selfie stick. There's one of those telescoping selfie sticks. It's about 4 feet high off the floor. And down there at the floor level, that selfie stick, which was very inexpensive, came with its own little tripod, right? It's not like this flexible one like this. It's solid legs that they just fold out and they work. And it works great. And it's like this little one here. The bottom of this microphone has a 4 and 20, kind of screw thing on it. You can put it on top of these little tiny tripods, put it on the desk. It could be like a desk microphone. It could be on a selfie stick for a microphone. You can mount it directly to the top of your camera. In fact, that's what this part, you're not going to be able to see it because it's black on black on black, right? Kind of thing. So you're never going to be able to see it probably. But this is actually a microphone holder. You slip it's a hot shoe, a cold shoe, I guess you say. Just like on the top of a SLR camera. You can slip that right on top of your camera if you're using an SLR or mirrorless or whatever. Or like this little adapter right here, I can put it right here, or if I have this little raised thing, I can put it up here and get the microphone a little bit higher up off of the top of that. Now this little piece right here, this is to attach the microphone directly to the side here. This thing here can slide in underneath there. But this cable here is pretty stiff, pretty sturdy, and I don't want to put that much, I don't want to torque it. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to torque the cable and maybe break something. So I actually just kind of let this hang like that. I'm going to make a series of videos about the GoPro. And again, I don't know if I mentioned it, but that's the GoPro Hero 8 Black. The Hero 9 Black and all that is all out now. I mean, they've been out for a while by the time I'm making this video. But the Hero 8 Black was the first version of that particular GoPro that had everything I wanted for my own personal use to make videos with. And the biggest thing was to be able to connect an external microphone to it and do the 4K video and all that. It had all the things that I required to kind of get me to buy the GoPro. Finally came together with the GoPro Hero 8 Black. So that's when I got that. And I didn't get it right away. They go on sale for the holidays kind of thing. And then the price went up. And I had to wait and the price came back down again. And then I picked it up just before the Hero 9 came out. Or not too long before the Hero 9 came out. And I like the fact that this microphone can hook on to these in a plethora of ways. Now the other thing about this, the Comica microphone here, the other thing about that is that it comes with 2 of these little curly Q extension cables. Now again, the microphone's made to pretty much sit on top of your camera. Whatever kind of camera you have, put it on a cold shoe, just like the top of a camera. Bingo, there's a better microphone than the built-in microphone that comes with whatever you're using, right? But the GoPro uses the traditional, like a camcorder would, uses a TRRS to TRRS connection. That's what this particular cable is. It is TRRS to TRRS. The back of this microphone doesn't have a cable coming out of it. You plug the cable in, right? And then you plug the other end of the cable into your camera, camcorder, camera, cell phone, whatever. And the cell phone is where the ticket is. My cell phone requires a TRRS cable. This microphone, for no extra charge, they give it to you. It's in the box, came with it. It has the TRS to TRS, and it has a TRS to TRRS connector. Now here's the fun thing about that. Here's another set of, this is my microphone cable here, right? Or my headphones, because I like to listen to my playback on my headphones, right? So I have this little connector here, right? And this is my connector cable. This is a TRS cable, right? A TRS cable. It's got just the two connectors to it, right? But it's an extension cable. So I can plug this into the back of the microphone, and then I plug in their special cable, which has, pins on either end. I plug it in here, and then I plug the TRRS into the cell phone, and it works. It just works. And that's what this experiment's all about, to use the short shotgun, just fun to say, short shotgun microphone from Comica, all right? This little microphone here, just use this on a selfie stick or as a table microphone. I can use it on a little tripod, or I can use it with a microphone stand that I have. The microphone itself will snap in there, or the selfie stick actually also will snap into the microphone stand as well. It's just, the selfie stick just happens to be the right size, like a handheld microphone, to snap into a microphone stand. It's really great. So I have all these options for microphones and getting sound into the camera. And again, if you're hearing this video, I thought it was a great success, and it's just an excellent thing. So again, this cell phone is a ZTE Axon 7 cell phone, all right? They don't make the thing anymore, haven't made it in a couple of years, and I don't even use it as a cell phone. I only use it to shoot YouTube videos with, because it's a very small camera with a very big monitor, bigger than my camcorder. It's got a 5.5-inch monitor built right into it, right next to the lens of the camera. It's awesome. But this microphone, I can use it as a table stand, microphone stand. I can connect it to the top of my GoPro, and it just allows me a lot of options to get audio into my videos. And so that's what this experiment is all about. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you coming by to say hey. Again, don't forget to give me that thumbs up. Make a comment below. Let me know you came by to say hi. And if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to the channel. Appreciate the growth on the network. And I make videos on a wide variety of subjects. So please come back and visit often. Until I catch you in the next video, take care and be well.